Welcome to the new era of typing where mechanical keyboards are not just tools, but a statement of innovation and style. Let's delve into the groundbreaking features of 2024's mechanical keyboards. The world's first AI-powered keyboard is here, adapting to your typing style to enhance speed and precision. Customizable OLED touch bars are another exciting feature, allowing you to tailor shortcuts and monitor performance. The durability has been redefined, with self-healing keycaps maintaining a refreshing look. The ultimate convenience arrives in the form of wireless charging pads integrated into the keyboard. Place your devices on the designated spots to charge them effortlessly. The mechanical keyboards of 2024 are set to revolutionize your typing experience, marrying tech, comfort, and style. Eager to know which innovation excites you? Hit the subscribe button, share your thoughts in the comments, and let's embrace the new era of mechanical keyboards together.